Alright. We're at the location 318 North Dade in Ferguson. Today is December 8th, 2025. Monday. We are doing this post replacement in the basement of the building drain, and also we just cleaned this line outside, existing clay line. Video recording of the whole complete line from inside, from base of the stack that we just pushed the camera all the way to the MSD main. We're gonna go ahead and pull this back and inspect the joints and this new replacement, and also existing line outside, and make a few comments. This is all 4-inch Schedule 40 PVC that was just replaced last week. Base of the stack in the basement at the furnace. There's a Y there, and there's a Y that runs to the floor drain and also the washer drain. Usually these lines, they don't get inspected. If I can push this in there, maybe I can. Yeah, I was able actually to push this in there. I'm gonna go ahead and inspect this line too. This is the washer drain and the floor drain. It's all 4-inch PVC till this reducer and a Y. This is Y's off on the right side for the floor drain, and right forward ahead it's going to be a P-trap, 3-inch P-trap, and that's how far we can go with this. This is for the washer drain, the base of the washer drain, P-trap. We're going to go ahead and pull this back and inspect this line. 4-inch PVC, and it's turned 45 degrees, and then it's all new, nice and slick. We're back into the main building drain. So PVC. That Y there is this for the kitchen drain, and a stack along the wall closer to the foundation. And this is go now under the foundation footing. And I stabbed this 4-inch PVC pipe into the 6-inch existing clay line outside, just past this porch, the front porch. There you go. That's how that is. It looks all good. And now we just cleaned these joints. There were some roots. They'll look all nice and pretty now. There's barely any roots, but the roots in the joints, this is just a matter of periodic maintenance. Yeah, it's nice and clean. There was some roots, it's definitely cleaned out. It's all 6-inch existing clay line. And we're now back in the trap. This trap's supposed to hold the water. That was designed like that to prevent sewer gases from MSD main going into the house or structure. Now we're going to go ahead and turn this around and inspect it from the main to this trap here. The U-turn on the trap. Yeah, we just cleaned this roots too, all the way to the main. There was definitely some roots. And now this appears to be all nice and clean. 6-inch existing pipe. Looks pretty good still. There are some roots there, but we cleaned them. And these the roots are in joints. They can't be cleaned by the cable or anything. They're really just future homeowner needs to do some periodic maintenance. Every maybe 3 years or so, 3 to 5 years, just to keep these roots in check. And now this line drops down into the main. This main is in the middle of the street. Right there, you can tell. There's the main right there. And now, yeah, they did a liner in the main, that's for sure. It looks actually pretty nice. They lined this little bit of the Y connection, a little bit back into past the first joint, all the way to there. So. There's just a ton. Yeah, there's a couple offsets there with fittings, 45s, and yeah, this line is nice and clean, open and flowing. We are back into the trap now. Alright. That would conclude our inspection.